Hello. In my experience, business consultants can raise their effectiveness game because they are willing to say things that other people barely allow themselves to think. There are two words that you don't want to hear at the end of a meeting or a contribution you made. And those two words are, so what? Now, this can go horribly wrong. This can become a domineering tool, or it can add really unhelpfully to an action bias. But it really helps to keep a very pervasive and difficult tendency in check. And that tendency is the tendency to explain or try to understand how things work, why things are the way they are, or where they are coming from. All these things, they're the edges of the next rabbit holes, getting lost in detail. Now, rabbit holes are sometimes unavoidable, but very often drain energy and kill time. Now, it's obviously a good thing to try to understand, but we need to be deliberate what we need to try to understand. And very often it's not the facts or the details, it's the implications of the facts and the details. And these implications, that's what consultants call the so what. Implications, or the so what, can be about two things. Number one is about meaning. How do we need to look at things? Or now that we have more details and facts, how do we need to look at things differently? For instance, an implication might be this set of data doesn't fit how we thought about market segmentation, so we might need to look at it differently now. The second thing implications can refer to is action. What do we need to do now, or what can we do now? Could be to say, we can do this request you put to us, but it will take us 3 weeks. What's the so what of the so what video?